the rainforest, a sanctuary of sounds, colors, and creatures. In this world of green, life is present everywhere. It's a silent struggle for survival. On this journey, we'll explore the hidden heart of the rainforest to meet 4 key inhabitants: primates, spiders, felines, and lizards. Each with a story, each with a role that sustains the balance of one of the planet's most complex and ancient ecosystems. High above in the forest, where light filters through the leaves, live the thinkers of the wild world. Primates, known for their cunning, strong family bonds, and incredible adaptability, are one of the rainforest's most fascinating groups. For example, chimpanzees don't just communicate through sounds. They also use rudimentary tools: sticks to extract termites and stones to crack open hard fruits. And most surprisingly, they learn by observing, imitating, and sharing. For them, living with others of their kind is more than indispensable. It ensures knowledge and survival. Howler monkeys, on the other hand, communicate differently. Their roars can be heard more than 1.8 miles away, marking territory and maintaining group cohesion. They are the loudspeakers of the forest. Primates live in societies. They have hierarchies, alliances, rivalries, and even affection. There are hugs, there are games. But there's also exile, confrontations, and political strategies. Sound human? Perhaps that's because we, too, come from here. And among the giants of the forest, one stands out for its strength and its serenity: the gorilla. Its mere presence commands respect, yet its life is marked by quietude, routine, and family bonds. They live in groups led by a silverback, a large adult male who can weigh over 440 pounds. He not only protects but also leads, decides, and unites the group. Mothers care for their young with overflowing tenderness. They carry them on their backs for years, clean them, and caress them. The young play tirelessly, climbing, rolling, exploring. And when danger arrives, everyone looks to the leader, one who rarely attacks but always protects. Gorillas are a symbol of strength, but also of fragility. With only a few hundred individuals in some subspecies, every gorilla lost is a direct blow to their future. Primates are the inheritors of an ancient history, but that history is in peril. Every tree cut down, every road that fragments the forest, isolates them further. Some primates are just one generation away from disappearing forever. We must protect them to prevent their extinction. Between the trees and the leaf litter, something moves undetected. It's a jaguar. With its silent steps and fixed gaze, it embodies the lethal elegance of the rainforest. Felines are elite predators, not by brute force, but by strategy. The jaguar, for example, doesn't always chase its prey. It waits, it observes, and when the moment arrives, it strikes with great precision and without expending much energy. The jaguar is the largest feline in the Americas and the third largest worldwide. Its distribution ranges from the southwestern United States to northern Argentina. It's a top predator and a key indicator of ecosystem health, inhabiting tropical rainforests, dry forests, and wetlands. It's also an excellent swimmer. It's distinguished by its yellow or orange fur with rosette-shaped spots, which are unique to each individual. It's like their fingerprint. Its powerful bite allows it to pierce turtle shells and even skulls. Unfortunately, the jaguar is threatened, facing habitat loss, fragmentation, poaching, and conflict with humans due to livestock depredation. Its conservation is vital for maintaining the balance of American ecosystems. The ocelot, smaller than its larger cousins, slips through the undergrowth like a living shadow. Its coat, modeled with dark rosettes on a golden background, is such perfect natural camouflage that it can go unnoticed even in broad daylight, just a few feet away. But it's not just a hunter, it's also hunted. Its size, while making it agile, exposes it to greater threats: jaguars, pumas, and humans. Even so, it survives. With intelligence, cunning, and a deep knowledge of the forest it has inhabited for thousands of years. The puma, the silent feline, the solitary wanderer, America's most elusive ghost. Unlike other predators that roar or forcefully mark their presence, the puma prefers anonymity. It's a presence more sensed than observed. Where it has passed, there are tracks, rustled branches, a slight tremor in the air, but it rarely lets itself be seen. Its adaptability is its greatest strength. It can inhabit everything from the humid tropical rainforests to the snowy slopes of the Andes, the canyons of the North American Southwest, or the silent deserts of southern Argentina. It doesn't live in prides. It's a solitary hunter that feeds on deer, rodents, birds, or whatever the land offers it. Every prey animal is part of its natural economy, measured without excess. Kills to live, not to dominate. But despite its strength and mastery of the environment, the puma also suffers from human encroachment. Roads, settlements, feral dogs, indiscriminate hunting. Little by little, they push it deeper into the shadows. Even so, it's still there, in silence, watching us from the edges of the map, like an ancient ghost that refuses to disappear. In the dense jungles of South and Southeast Asia, where bamboo intertwines with tall trees and the air is heavy with humidity, walks a mythical creature, striped like fire and silent as the night, the tiger. It is the largest feline on the planet. It can exceed 10 feet in length and 660 pounds in weight, yet it moves like a shadow through the vegetation. Every step it takes is measured, elegant, and lethal. In the heart of India, in the jungles of Sumatra, and even in the cold Amur steppes, the tiger has reigned for millennia. But its reign is now threatened. At the beginning of the 20th century, it was estimated there were over 100,000 tigers in the wild. Today, fewer than 4,000 remain. The tiger is not just a predator. It's a symbol of power, balance, and everything the jungle can be when it's complete. Protecting it isn't just saving a species. It's preserving the very soul of the Asian forest. At the base of the forest, in corners where light barely touches, lurk creatures many prefer not to see. Spiders, weavers, hunters, invisible guardians of the ecological balance. There are over 48,000 species of spiders in the world. In the rainforest, their variety is as vast as their hunting strategies. Some build webs that look like works of art. Others lie in wait on the ground, launching themselves with surgical precision at their prey. For instance, the giant tarantula can reach the size of a dinner plate. While its bite isn't lethal to humans, it's certainly so for many of its nocturnal victims. It moves slowly with a patience that is its best weapon. Spiders hunt to live, and in doing so, they eliminate pests, control populations, and prevent invisible imbalances. Their existence is part of the rainforest's hidden pulse. Many times they make us uncomfortable and generate fear, but they too are fragile, and like us, they are part of a world that depends on both the large and the small. If they were to disappear, the entire rainforest would feel it, and in general, all the planet's ecosystems. At first glance, they seem the most harmless. But lizards are witnesses to an evolutionary history that began more than 200 million years ago. They have seen the dinosaurs disappear and adapted to the new world in silence. The basiliscus, for example, can run on the surface of water. And it's not magic, it's biomechanics. Their hind legs move so fast and with such precision that they allow them to escape predators by running across the river's surface. The chameleon, a master of camouflage, doesn't just change color to blend in. It also does it to communicate emotions, regulate its temperature, and even to seduce. The green iguana, a symbol of many rainforests, spends its days under the sun. Its diet is mostly herbivorous, and its tranquil movements hide a great sensory acuity. With their diversity, discretion, and resilience, lizards are true champions of survival. The jungle isn't just a place, it's an organism. It's a living network of invisible relationships, of delicate balances, of intertwined stories. Every animal we've seen, from the curious monkey to the solitary jaguar, is a strand in that fabric. Protecting the jungle is more than an ecological cause. It's an act of humanity. It's recognizing that this planet doesn't belong only to us. And that in every roar, in every web, in every leap between branches, there's a message we must hear.